Country Rad.
Okay, what we did is from our first run, we kept the leave-ins or the back-ins, and we added some more sugar, some more corn, and we let it sit and ferment for another couple weeks, and here we are, we're running it now. Brent Weeks, period. One of the best folks you'd ever meet. Great man, loved him to death, and he would definitely appreciate what we're doing here, and he would definitely enjoy some of this, that's for sure. Filled up the burner about 3/4 of the way, left
Plenty of headspace.
Filled up the burner about 3/4 of the way, left plenty of headspace. Well, the thump cake's a beautiful thing. We fill it up about 2/3 of the way, and we put all the leave-ins and the solids from the last run in there, which creates a lot of flavor. I had something else to say and I forgot what I was going to say. I had something great. And I forgot. Well, it acts as a double distillation and boom, brings it up. Well, that's because it's like thumper. It goes thump. I can hear it from here. It's thumping right now.
As it heats up?
It's making a beautiful sound when it heats up, man. It's a beautiful thing. Back in the old days when they were cooking with wood and it was getting all hot and it was just coming from the pot down in, well, it would all puke over. Well, the thumper or slobber box would help keep it contained, so all that stuff, all those particles weren't coming through down into through the worm into the jar and, you know, making it, you know, just a jar of jam. Brent Weeks loved everything that was good. It was good, he loved it.
And do you think your moonshine is that good?
I think it's worthy of my good friend Brent, man. I think he would give me a tip of the hat and a big hug and a pat on the back saying, good job, Mark. Good job, Matt. You guys nailed it.
Nailed it! Brent Weeks off what power patch.
Welcome.
Welcome to the Brent Weeks. Sorry bad.
We make good whiskey.
Oh, sorry about producer.